Okay, let's see you in the while. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's see you in the while. Bye.
Bye.
我看见世界在慢慢动起来，新一年，新气象，有一种能量可以让我更坚强。我听到鞭炮声在噼里啪啦响，仿佛在呼唤日子会更加灿烂。原来啊，这就是力量。我听到春风吹过天边的蔚蓝，开花结果就在那不远的地方。我祝福配合
Yeah. Ông Hy Leong， 这个叫搞气氛，搞气氛，知道吗？我们的网播要搞点气氛，这样大家才会开开心心的嘛，对不对？谈股论事要开开心心，好运自然来。Those of you who are still stuck in the traffic jam, you can just leave the handphone alone, just listen to the broadcast 啦，好，係咪？Those of you who are at home, you can online 啦。SB Low, SB Low. We have a SB Live. Welcome, SB Low. First time see your name. Jadi, so early so fast shoot the list already NCT got lah. NCT I also eyeing NCT. Wait let me pull out my NCT. I think I charted NCT last week. What did I put? NCT is volume. I set the volume alert for NCT. Wow, nice chart, man. Nice company. IT service consulting. Sama open seas, yeah. Okay, later we talk NCT first. Okay, so we just wait for more people to come in, guys. I've been following for some months. STLO, welcome. Which part of Malaysia are you from? STLO, Vitaly, hi. Hey, why don't you all share with me? Which part of Malaysia are you all from? Which state are you in? 2 years never go to Malaysia already, man. I used to go there every month, every month, 3 weeks in a month or 2 weeks in a month. Okay, enough of the Chinese New Year song. Let us just do some introduction. So which place are you from, guys? Ahmad Mensah from Selangor, Shah Alam. Hi, Selangor. SPLO is from Selangor. And SP Lai Penang, right? SP Lai or Ipoh. Yo Xiang is from KL. Where is my East Malaysia? Me Kedah, where Tun MO house opposite your house. Wow, then your place very secure. Helium. Subang Jaya, Selangor, Kedah, Ipoh. Wow, Ipoh very quiet and peaceful town. We used to do at the Whale Hotel. Is it still around? The Whale Hotel? I still remember, every time go and makan at the shopping center beside the hotel before I walk over to conduct the seminar. Rita Lim from Singapore. Wow. Kenner from Selangor, PJSS2, SP Lai is from PJSS2. SS2 is most of where my colleagues are staying. SS2, PJ, KL, Shirley Chan. No Sarawak no Penang Penang leh, JB leh, Sabah leh. KL Ahmad Muslim, KL Muslini. Selvaraj, KL, Shah Alam. Henry Chong, am I Singaporean or Malaysian? I am a Singaporean. NCT is grand flow last time. Okay, roger that. You want east from Sarawak or east enough? Oh, August from Sarawak, huh? Okay, JB, Serembang, Bintulu. Bintulu is Malaysia, near Sabah, right? Between Sabah and Kuching. KL, Penang. Finally got one Penang. Tan HL from Penang. BK Ong from JB. Penang watch me live launching. What is that? Kuching, Andrew Quay, Kuching. Yeah. Kuching. I used to stay at the Water Town. What is it called? Water Town. The one with the shopping center beside. Can see the river, that thing. I was told by one of the member that when there's a countdown, right? That place will be lit up very beautifully and fireworks will shoot out from the iconic place in Kuching. Bernard from Uli Corp. Works in Uli Corp. Where are all the interesting places? Sarawak, Purple Sarawak, JB. Kota Kinabalu, Elias. Jackson. How can I forget you? You're a member. Waterfront. Correct. Waterfront. JB, KSL lor. KSL, the foot massage. Every time, actually you all don't know. Every time I will massage my foot first at the KSL before I walk over to conduct the event at KSL. Thomas Wong, you are in Tampines. Serious? That one my old house at Tampines. But you are very naughty. You spell Tampines, spell wrongly. Thomas. Yeah, I guess, Thomas, I guess you spell wrongly, purposely spell wrongly. You're very naughty boy. People. Hatzai. Jack, you see, baby, Singapore, right? Hatzai. Okay, enough. KSL last time, 2019, before COVID-19. So I was traveling around JB, all the way from the east to the west. Okay, come, let's talk about stock. NCT last time was grand flow. One member reminded me that last time was grand flow, now going into property development. So the industry here is outdated, haven't updated yet. Okay, so based on the financial, based on the chart, this chart definitely has got the BIC chart, guys. Now, why is it not green color? For the Traders Club member, you notice as green, there's no green, right? Green means the uptrend condition is met. When you see black, it means that the uptrend condition has not met. Okay, so you have to use another Kung Fu to analyze this chart. This one is called the BIC Kung Fu. Now, this is the retracement. So this is the lowest before it embark on a new uptrend. So you want to know who is in control. Is it buyers or is it seller? So one look, buyers are in control in this particular stock. Okay, you can either take the trade or you wait for the green arrow to show up. Okay, so right now don't have, but there is BIC. So yep, it's a BIC chart on the daily chart. Now you go to the weekly chart. Okay, when you go to the weekly chart, let's take a look. Weekly chart, this is the lowest point. Okay, so from here it rebounded off. The volume isn't very convincing. Okay, I have many times over the past 3 weeks, last 2 weeks plus this week, I thought the market is going to collapse, but each time there will be a mid-week rally. There is a Friday rally. This week, the pattern has changed, and this is a very important development in the stock market that every investor should know. There is a change in the characteristic of Bursa. Today is a Wednesday. Overnight, Wall Street decline. And then tomorrow is a holiday, and yet today we can finish up. So it is really a miracle. Okay, so there will be miracle when you believe. Okay, there will be a miracle when you believe. So that is why we are all looking forward for higher prices. Will it happen? Tomorrow holiday, so Friday, if if the pattern continues just like what we experienced the past 2 weeks, this Friday, there is a good chance it is going to be another grandstand finish. That means we are going to close higher in the afternoon. So keep a watch out for it. So for the past 2 Fridays, it is very interesting. It was green all the way from the opening to the closing. So it is very strong. It like eat up all the sellers that have been selling from Monday to Thursday. Friday, boom, close up. Boom, close up. So very bullish. So this is the first time Wednesday we have a rally and there is no pullback. Yesterday was pulling back and it was pretty ugly. A lot of sector kena, especially steel sector. So let's watch this Friday. Okay, will it go up or not? So for Traders Club member to buy or not to buy, I think tomorrow we see whether got trigger the BT or not. Then next stock, come. Next stock. Any other stock that we want to talk about? Hey, I talk about Anju. I'm waiting for your stock. I talk about Anju so that there's no awkward silence. Now, Anju today, walao, spectacular, man. Steel stocks is down because of iron ore future price is down. Okay, a lot of steel stock all kena selling yesterday. Today, Anju fights back with very high volume as compared to yesterday. This is a very positive development. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, you can see that it is still a very beautiful bullish chart in Anju. Okay, really is beta this Anju. Earnings wise, Anju has, I think Anju reported growth if I'm not wrong. Anju 26th of August. So if I go up, I see Anju highlight register growth, and you have got 4 earnings star. Wow, great stock. Okay, but is it too late to buy, or should you even buy now? If you want to buy steel stock, listen to me. There is a risk. The risk is China. The risk is the iron ore price coming lower, and the risk is for the next few months, you may be looking at a lower steel prices in Malaysia, and therefore their earnings could be dragged lower. So that is something you need to pay attention to. Now, in Malaysia market, plenty of sector to choose from. You have got 2 sector. Now you have to be careful, which is the steel sector and the gloves. Gloves, I think last week we played the Sept violin song. Everybody know already. That one is very sad. It has broken the 52-week low. So this still, I am still hesitant. Don't know what to do with it yet. It looks like it's going to go down, but if it can bounce up and minimize the losses for my steel stock, I will just get out at small losses. Okay, so better than wait for it to confirm that the steel prices are down in the next earnings, then pom, get down. Want to run, also too late to run. That is my take on steel counters. Okay, so any stock, PA, okay, lai. PA, okay, PA aluminium. Okay, we have got a long black candle here. See the software now very smart. It tells you that trailing stop as it. So this is a long black candle. Then you have got a white coming in. So this is buyer stepping in and it consolidated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is tujuh, 6. Okay, number 6. So you have got low volume consolidation after the selling. So you have got your stopping volume. Okay, you have got your stopping volume in this stock and it has turned green. Turn green means it has met a trend condition. Now, what is this red and green, black and white all about? Okay, let me share with you guys. Let me share with you. You see, okay, everybody pay attention so that you all understand later when we look at more stocks, you understand why green and all that. It is purely for convenience. You see, when the stock comes down, guys, when the stock comes down, the candle will not be green. But as it starts to bottom up and go back up, okay, it will turn green only when it has moved up significantly. You understand what I'm saying? It will turn green only when it moves up significantly. It will not turn green the moment it breaks a downtrend line resistance. Okay, and immediately turn green. No, it will not. It will only turn green when the trend establishes itself. So you can say that it is slightly late. So therefore, if you combine this reading with how you read the BIC as it breaks the downtrend line, then it will be very useful. Okay, now let me share with you again. Let's take a look at Care Plus. Let's take a look at Care Plus. Remember, in April, we took the trade. In April, this is the downtrend, right? So downtrend, it starts to turn back up. You see, the the green color will not come at the first turn. First turn, I don't think any of my indicators will be able to pick up that the trend has turned. But what you can see is the BIC pattern in Care Plus. Okay, so buyers stepping back in, sellers no seller, so the stock can go up. So after it goes up, it pulls back. This where the green has formed means that the uptrend criteria is matched using indicators. But okay, but over here you can see that it didn't manage to continue the nice uptrend and died. Okay, I know there's no such an English word called died. I purposely create this word so that it makes the webinar more interesting. Okay, so this is where it tells you that the change of color tells you that the uptrend are base finish. Some more you see all the selling long black candle, so you don't use this anymore. Okay, clear everybody? 6 is Anam. Hi lah. I used to have a Malay neighbor, now don't have, so I forgot how to say. Okay. So let's talk about another stock, Tashin. Okay, Tashin. Let's talk about Tashin. From what you have learned, let's see Tashin. Okay, Tashin, can you see the change in color? Can you see this one is coming? Okay, green, right? Green. So it lost the trend criteria, and then the software waited for it to establish a new trend before it signaled that the trend has formed. Okay, so it could have just gone on, just go on like this. But of course, now we know iron ore price dragging it down. Tashin is not as bullish as Anju. Okay, you can see there is a shooting star over here with high volume means selling, and whenever you see a shooting star, the price continue to trade lower, that in itself is a warning sign. We only know, okay, I only know this is going down at this candle. Okay, before that, right, there is still a fighting chance that it is not going lower. Volume is low, consolidating with narrow range. Okay, so as the days goes by, I see this coming down. I really curse and swear at this stock. And then this happens yesterday. Okay, the volume is not too low as well. And today's bounce in Tashin, the volume is low. Okay, so Tashin indeed is more dangerous. Okay, in terms of all my holdings, right? Tashin is the one that I think, this stock maybe will not have a chance to show profit or go up anymore. Or unless there's a change in iron ore, China, Xi Jinping, who knows what he's thinking, right? All right, so this is the RTS level in Tashin. Let me draw the line for you. Okay, RTS level in Tashin. So it resisted, bounces. Okay, so now you have got a green arrow coming in. What we need, okay, this green arrow is not an automatic buy. This green arrow, it tells you that it has triggered a strategy called the Trend Master V3. Now, what does Trend Master V3 do? Recap, Trend Master V3, we are looking into an uptrend, okay, uptrend. We want to catch the low of the uptrend. This is what Trend Master V3 will do. Okay, so if you use this system plus Trend Master V3 screening results, Trend Master V3 screening results, you will be looking at stocks that pull back, fulfill the low of the uptrend criteria, and if the stock display BIC, added advantage. If the stock turn up from RTS level, added advantage. Okay, just like you looking for a job, right? Usually they will say like having a driving license is an added advantage, or if you know how to speak 5 languages is an added advantage. It's the same. For if there is more reason for a stock to go up, right now you have got reason number 1, it could be the low of the uptrend. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me draw for you. You can imagine this is the uptrend establishing itself, so it pull back. So if it continue by Friday, sweet. Or uptrend intact, no problem. Xiangkia is don't continue on Friday and continue to come down, then we have to make the painful decision to get out of the stock and look at other stock. Okay, so it's not at RTS level. If Friday can bounce with higher volume, we are safe for now. Okay, that is Tashin. If I switch to the hourly, weekly chart first, you will see that there is nothing bullish about this stock at all. And I don't like all this long upper tail. You know my take. Long upper tail means price rejection. Every time hit a high, gonna sell down. So this stock may pull back. You see this? It pull back, right? Pull back also go up, correct or not? Remember, iron ore prices also crashed since May, following the steel stock. Sorry, steel stock follow the iron ore prices crash, there is still a bounce. So if there is a bounce, maybe we are able to get out at a small loss or break even. That is Tashin. Astino is good, huh? Let's take a look. Thomas say Astino is good. Let's take a look. Okay, you see, Astino is the one that follow nicely. See, the stock comes down. Okay, it tries to form an uptrend over here in our software, detected uptrend characteristic criteria, but failed immediately. From happy green face turn into long black face. Black face, remember black face? 生气, angry, frustrated. So black face means the trend criteria gone, and it starts to re-establish the trend again. So it turns green color again. So green color at the green is where the low is. The low is. Now this one you may ask, why here got no arrow? Because the low is not deep enough. Okay. Here there is an arrow. So right now no arrow yet. Okay, no arrow yet. So Astino construction material and also a steel related company. This is the weekly chart. Okay, the pullback, although the candle is longer, but you can see a transaction volume is not very high. So it is not dead yet. Earnings is 4-star. Okay, earnings is 4-star. So should be still good. So on the daily chart, there is no uptrend. Okay, there's no uptrend. You can see it's not even green color. So you have to depend on your BIC technique. And you do see the BIC candle over here. But as it pulls back, it is the same as Tashin. The black candle volume quite high. But today's candle volume is not low, unlike Tashin. So therefore, Astino still okay. Still look okay. And all the steel stock, most of steel stock, are trading at this RTS level. Can you see this 69.5 cent RTS level? So resisted, pullback, breakout. Check this out. Your eyes must be sharp, guys. You check this out. This is called a retest of the resistance turn support. Retest with low volume. My favorite. Okay, and then the stock flies up and direct back to retest again. So will it be successful? Only heaven knows. Okay, only heaven knows. So we need to see it bounce up to be sure. Okay, to be sure. So for Astino, okay, for RTS level, let me teach you how to see RTS level. Now, for RTS level, there are 3 ways. Okay, it can test. Either it is undershoot, that means haven't reached your RTS level, turn up, or it can bounce at RTS level. What it is doing now is called the undershoot. That means shoot below the support level and turn up. So if you can turn up from here, all is well. Okay, that is for Astino. Ranking wise, nice, 4-star. So earnings is very strong. Wow, even the debt is lower. See, income statement, everything is up. Profit margin is up. Net profit margin, can you see this line? Is up. Revenue is up. Net income is up. So everything is bullish about this stock. It is the iron ore price you have to watch out. Okay, so if the iron ore price crashes, then the earnings of these steel counters can be dragged lower in the upcoming months. Then in November, you will get a shock. Alamak, Anzua, you never make money. Anzua, your earnings slow down because the steel prices gets lower. Okay, the demand since late last year, this surge was caused by the reopening of the economy. Construction continue. Then this one is caused by the construction stop. So if the demand soften for steel in the local construction industry, then the steel prices may slow down. Okay, may decline. So decline affect earnings, as simple as that. Now for selling price of steel, if it declines, for the earnings to keep up, if you can sell more, okay, if you can sell more, demand is so strong that you can sell more, then it's still okay. Earnings will grow, then it will still be okay. So that's why now for the steel counter, there is this mixed information. China side production cut because they don't want to pollute the air and they don't want to export their steel externally. So they use their own construction, but they also instruct their local steel maker to slow down production. Okay, so the world steel prices, iron ore, got a shock because the so-called demand from China softened, slow down. But The thing is, other country like India lah, and Malaysia lah, so Europe lah, US just signed a $1 trillion or $1 billion infrastructure deal. So require a lot of steel. So now I don't have that information to confirm that the rest of the world's demand is enough, okay, to sustain the steel prices. So once I find that out, then perhaps the steel prices, the steel stock, we will have more confidence to hang on to the trend. Okay, so that is a very comprehensive conversation about the steel. Nice. Hit the like button if nice, okay. 不要听到爽爽忘记按 hit like Help me hit the like button. Okay, next stop, man. Next stop. Hey, Tun Fair, you asked a very valid question. Why iron ore price go down, cause steel to go down? I also don't think it should go down, but the market is selling it down. We have to respect the market is always right. Our opinion means shit. Okay, my opinion means shit if the price doesn't go up. That is why, although I feel that iron ore price down, your steel price still there, okay, but market sell down steel price, steel stock definitely got a reason, so I have to respect. All right, so next stop, Emulus. Oh, Emulus, I did a few video on it. Emulus, let's take a look. AEM Mulus. Wow, all the green arrow come out already. Emulus is at support level. Firstly, at support level, green arrow all come out telling you that it is at the. Okay, guys, green arrow comes out means what? Means what? Remember now. KGB, Hardeep Singh. Later, I think about 10:20 p.m. I will talk about KGB. Sorry, 10:20, 9:20 p.m. I will talk about KGB. Okay, very, very interesting development in KGB. Wow, those of you who got KGB, you must stay back. You must stay back. I'm going to show you something, guys. I'm going to show you something that will open your eyes to how dirty the stock market is. That if you do not know how to do your research, if you do not know how to reach hard, you lugi bibik. Okay. Not akan datang DT. Okay, so when you see green arrow, it means that it is at the low of the uptrend. Remember, it's at the low of the uptrend. It's at the low of the uptrend. Okay, so the arrow finds you the low in the uptrend. Okay, this is the one. It came down, then subsequently try to resume its uptrend, but the trend condition is broken. Then the green arrow comes out as the candle turns green. It's telling you that the uptrend condition is met again. You have got your trend master V3 signals. So this is where it starts to go up. Okay. No KGB want to leave now. My lah. KGB is not about the stock KGB. Okay, it is about using KGB as an example to show you, wow, the stock market is unbelievable. Okay, there is a particular pattern that you must know. You must know so that you know why are you doing this. Okay, right, let's talk about AEM. So AEM is trading at the support level, and you can see that it has broken the downtrend resistance line, right? Broken the downtrend resistance line, and now let's see, do we have BIC? You have got one long, you have got, okay, from this point onwards, right, you can see that there is buying interest coming into the stock. Okay, buying into the stock, but can it hold this support level? Wow, that is the key question. Can it hold this support level? Then you need to see more BIC. The more you see, the more confident you will have in buying this support. Okay, so right now already satisfied the low of the uptrend. Okay, at least I bring you halfway. At least I bring you halfway. Then whether to jalan or not, you need to have more information now. Okay, so the pullback completed. Okay, remember I draw this orange line like way back 2 weeks back. So right now the pullback has completed. Can it come and kiss this orange line at 96 cents sometime in October? Okay, follow my calendar, October, or it will kiss September, or it will just go up. That means undershoot and just to go up from here. Everybody should watch this AEM. Okay, very, very exciting stock. Ranking, 4-star stock. Can you see? 4-star stock. Which industry? Semiconductor. And then you have all the earnings metric, very beautiful, all going up. Okay, PE a bit high though, 18 times. Let's take a look. What is your historical PE? Okay, PE, the highest in August was 96 times. Okay, 96 times. So right now is PE is only 80 times. Oh, okay lah. Okay, so if you want to trade Emulus and you want to look for a P of 20, P of 60, you are talking about a collapse in Emulus. You wait long. If it never happen, then you will never get to buy Emulus. So you must understand, okay, at least based on the last earnings, PE is on the low side. 80 times is considered low side for Emulus based on the last PE. Based on the last earnings. Okay, so before this earning, I teach you how to use this blue line. Before this earning, right? Okay, you see, before this earning, Emulus high is at 75 times. Low is 60 times. So if you use these earnings, okay, in May as a benchmark saying that, wow, Emulus must come to 60, then you buy, then you have to wait damn long. Now it's at 80, it will never come down. Why is it at 80? Because the earnings is strong. Okay? So that is how we see Emulus. K power, wow, long time never see. K power, wow, cannot. K power tak jalan. You see, there is no up. See K power 2020. So beautiful. Look at the green candle, so beautiful. Every time it shows you a green arrow, you check the BIC chart. If you're comfortable, you buy. You will be able to huat tua. You will be able to huat tua. Now along the way up, see. Along the way up, this signal, all this I do one. Along the way up. You see the pullback is not deep enough, therefore there is no arrow going up. So it prevents you from buying those arrow that is too shallow. The pullback that is too shallow. You understand? Over here, pullback deep, right? One arrow over here for you to make your last hooray before it tells you that base, trend base. So right here, the last arrow before no more arrow. Okay, because it's not swinging uptrend already, and the uptrend characteristic terminated May this year. Okay, May this year, uptrend terminated, and then subsequently the stock collapsed. So with this to guide you, those of you who do not know how to read chart, know that with this to guide you, you have like a walking stick. At least you know, green color, wait for the green arrow, it's an uptrend, you check BIC chart. Okay, you check BIC chart. Added security. So right now, definitely not going to touch. No arrow, no green candle. So no BIC. Forget it. Okay, volume a bit too low. Or wait for it to recover. Or wait for it to go back into an uptrend. Wait for it to swing back into an uptrend. Like in COVID-19, 2020 March collapse, right? You wait for it to form an uptrend. Also not too late. Now, some of you may think, sayang never buy 77 cents. Why go and buy at 99 cents? Because at 99 cents, we know it's going to go up. At 77 cents, we don't know whether it's going to go up or not. That is the difference. Okay? Freight. Let's talk about freight. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Okay, daily chart. Oh, wow. Wow, lay whole sick. Oh, who is this? Hongzhe, Lin Hongzhe, your timing very soon, very soon. The first time it meet the trend criteria, turn green color with the trend master signal. Okay, but tapi volume is very low. Volume is very low. And you have got a shooting star here. So you see this system, right? You cannot just use it with your eyes closed, You cannot just use it with your eyes closed. You must see BIC chart like over here, right? Okay. You can see the BIC yourself, high. You can see the BIC yourself, so you can buy. But over here, you must see BIC also. If you don't see BIC, then you better 自己保重啦. But we do see this shooting star. We do see this shooting star. Okay. And Fritz is a 3-star ranking stock. Okay, 3-star ranking stock. So can it continue to what? Okay, at 83 cents, okay, if I want to trade Fritz, at 83 cents, I want to know is the price too high. So I come and check. check my pips table. 10% is 81 cents. Okay, so it's within 10 to 20%. To me, like I always say, if it's between 10% is the best, 10 to 20%, I can chips out, I can accept. Okay, so we need to see freight trade higher before we know that it can clear the shooting star. Otherwise, it may end up like Tashin. It may end up like Tashin, too many shooting star, you pull back first. Also, volume today not high. So this white candle, green candle can be ignored. You go to the weekly chart. It doesn't instill confidence in this weekly chart. Okay, when I see such a long white candle, I hope the 4 candles here on the weekly chart is not trading upwards. Okay, it's trading sideways or coming down is better. Coming down, why better? I can buy lower price. Buy lower price, I can sell high. Buy low, sell high. This one is like buy high, try to sell higher. So I'm hesitant. I'm resistant to this. And given the recent stock market performance, where every time the stock failed to continue its rally, a lot of false alarm, like all this called false alarm. And you have one goddamn false alarm in Scamnet today. This is a Scamnet. See Scamnet? Disgraceful. I call this an act of terrorism to retail investor. Okay, everything was so beautiful this morning. Everything was so beautiful. You have got the whole system shouting at you, buy me, buy me. Then today, after the stock go up to the high of 174, sell all the way for the whole afternoon, Okay, so this is called a shooting star with high volume resisted at the downtrend line. So I call this the act of terrorism to retail investor. Okay, so this is what you want to watch out for in freights. Next stop. Samcam uptrend. Okay, let's talk about Samcam. Hey, Samcam and LC Titan, these commodity chemicals. Let me see LC Titan. LC Titan. Yeah, commodity. LC Titan. Commodity chemicals. Okay, I update you on LC Titan first. Okay, because once upon a time, I was interested in LC Titan. So LC Titan has a problem. When oil price is high, it increases its cost. So when I talk about Samcam, I don't follow this. I'm not a specialist in this industry. Okay, so I can only give you my point of view in terms of the chart. So in terms of the chart, what you're looking at right here, it is not a bullish chart. It is not it is not a kind of chart that I would trade, because I do not see the BIC pattern that I am known for. So this is going up, yes. So if it doesn't show me my pattern, I will not trade. Okay, but you can see the green color telling you that it has turned uptrend already. So perhaps at the next pullback, when the green arrow comes up again, maybe it will be a easier trading decision. Okay, right now for me, I definitely cannot see any reason why. Today volume is not bad. Today volume is quite high, 86 cents. Okay, it's quite high, and I believe the whole industry is moving. I saw some member talking about some stocks. Let me see, is it here? Hexstar is not longer here. Hexstar, there you go. Hexstar is up as well, but it is not the same. Oh, this one is very beautiful, this chart. Okay, this chart is very beautiful. You can see all the BIC, and I like this increasing volume as the stock trade to the resistance. Okay, very good chance that it will break this 137. But the best time to buy is, of course, over here. Over here, this long white candle over here, this green little arrow. Okay, let me pull back. To show you. Over here, right? Okay, this is what you'll be presented if you use the software at night, you screen. Okay, so you read the chart going up, and then after that, do you see BIC or not? Okay, you saw 2 long black candle coming down. Okay, but the stock didn't continue to come down. It started to come down with lower volume. Trade sideways with lower volume, and then come down on lower volume. So this is the first day where the volume comes back in. Okay, the white candle comes back in, but it is insignificant because it's low volume. Next candle, please. This is the candle that tells you that, hey, Hexstar high volume comes back. So when it clear this high, right, 126. Okay, 126. You want to pay attention to 126 during this day as you start to trade. So it's able to close higher than 126 and close at 129 with high volume. Akan datang, stand by, track this stock. Okay, pull back on low volume. This is telling you BIC. 就係咁簡單. Okay, this is telling you BIC. So you have to ask yourself, 7th of September, where are you and what are you doing? Why you give Hexstar a miss? Okay, second candle pullback, low volume. Can you see? Can see now? Can see and understand? Hit the like button. Thank you very much. The 7th of September is I speaking to myself lah. I also don't know where was I. Can see now? Can see hit the like button, the B, the I, and the C. This is how you use it. And then you know, okay, and then you know that it's green candle. Green candle means that it has meet the uptrend criteria. Okay, now plus BIC, 2 reasons to buy already, no? Hey, no ranking, earnings no ranking. Okay, but okay, this stock has got story. One of my members shared with me. He did his homework, due diligence. Hexstar is going to invest in a lot of different industry. Oil and gas is one of them, and I think make gloves as well. I forgot. Also, therefore, they have a change in the business. How do you know? You click here, and then you read. Then you know what are they up to. Okay, then you click next. Dun 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 dun. Hey, really? I mean, I need to punish myself by standing at the balcony for one whole night tonight for missing this stock. Bloody hell. Dun 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 dun. Yang see the BIC. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Can you see how to use the whole system? Can you see? More importantly is if you miss Hexstar, don't ask me Friday can buy now. Most importantly is now you learn how to identify it. The next time you can buy. So that you know how to analyze, so that you know how to make use of the information, and then the next time it happens, then you will not miss. That is the more important thing. Right now. Okay, so let's continue. Next candle. This candle, high volume coming in. Low, a small little candle, not scared. No scared. Okay, no scared. Okay, this candle, boom. When this candle comes in, you know you are in safe hand already. Correct? So this is where you buy. Because the volume comes in, you buy, and then, wow, wholesale. So yesterday was the best time to buy. Okay. So this is how you analyze Hexstar. You understand? I go by candle to show you how to do it. So you know how to do it. Okay? Ngam, guys. Okay or not? If okay, comment yes. Comment yes. Come on. Share me some love. Comment yes. This stock, very bullish. Very bullish. Very bullish. Okay, if we can clear the pivot high 138 on Friday, wow, it can fly, man. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Why? The one I never buy go up. The one I buy I do scam. Open seas. Yet another beautiful one. Yet another beautiful one. Okay. Open seas. This is what I mean. Okay. You have to know the analysis, how to see. This is the uptrend, green color. So downtrend develop, color stop, and then it starts to turn back up. During this turn back up, you check, do you see BIC? If you cannot see, tomorrow go and visit the optician. Guys, serious. If you cannot see BIC on, sorry, daily chart, sorry. 讲太快了. Okay. Wait, let me show you the view. This is the downtrend. So this is the end of the downtrend. So I'm going to show you the view before today's candle. Now, Can you see the BIC? Okay, if you cannot see, right, you need to visit the optician tomorrow. And the software is so nice, let you know that, hey, turn of trend already. Turn green already. Like incredible hawk, turn green already. Or turn green means the fierce move is coming. Wow, like that, say maybe you remember. Huh? Okay, so this is the first sign of buyer stepping in, then subsequently encounter selling, but no fear because it's low volume. Earning strong, gap up, selling for 1, 2, 3, 4, low volume, no scare. Next two white candle come in, buyer stamping, buyers storm back in, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle pulling back, low volume, no scare. Okay, and then this is what happened today. Pom. So today is the buying day. I wouldn't know this will happen, guys. I wouldn't know. Okay, what I am showing you is there is BIC in the chart. So therefore, when BIC is in the chart, when you want to buy this stock, you have got the probability behind your trading decision. Okay, like Hexstar weekly volume is getting lower and lower. Is it a concern? Let's take a look back to Hexstar. Weekly volume is getting lower and lower. No, Friday. You do. This one is only on Wednesday, no? You still have got Thursday and Friday, ma. So by Friday, maybe the volume very high, candle very long, But anyway, tomorrow I'm pretty sure it will not move at all, guys. Nobody will dare to analyze and give you an analysis like this. But I am special. I'm telling you, tomorrow I'm pretty sure Hexstar will not move. Zero volume. The stock price will not move. I am very confident. Okay, it will only move on Friday. I will use the word will because I am dead certain. No one can exhibit this kind of confidence in analysis. So I'm the only one. I'm telling you. See how confident I am? 犀利哦，厉害 right？ 係啦 ，tomorrow is public holiday 啦， that is why I am so confident tomorrow will not move. Every time there's a holiday, I will use this joke. 你们听不闲啊？ Yo, so entertained. Yeah, DT, tomorrow Malaysia holiday. Singapore, you continue to work, huh? Don't forget to wake up, tomorrow morning. What, Malaysia holiday. Without fail, every holiday I will make this joke, and you guys are still entertained. Okay, next stock. Hey, okay lah. 8:48 p.m. already. Enough of your stock. Now my stock, okay. So around, let me see whether got lobang to buy now. You know how to see already, right, guys? So I'm going to come here. I'm going to show you these are the strategies. So I'm going to just use Trendmaster V3 with you tonight. The price pullback, okay, later I see for myself. Okay, so this is the easiest one. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to sort it by rank. The more green dot you see, the better the company in terms of earnings. Okay, of course, this no star one, best to avoid. Okay, then you click price chart. You go down this list and you look for your next target. Arang, 可以吗? To me, 不可以. Why? There is no BIC. Okay, there's no BIC. So therefore, you continue to hunt down the list. Okay, and what tonight US come down? Cannot lah. Tonight must go up. You must spare a thought for the Singapore market. Oh yeah, touch wood. Oh, touch wood. So tonight we want the US market to be up. Don't like that. Okay. You Dow futures can go down, but Nasdaq up. Nasdaq up. Okay, let's come back to the stock. Arang. No good. Okay, so I'm going to go down the list. Okay, I'm going to flick down the list. You're going to see for BIC. If you see BIC, that is your food for Friday. That is your food for Friday. Mufa. What stock is it? Mufa. Oh, wow. Wow. Did you see BIC in this stock? I think a bit, right? Okay, this is a hotel, motel, cruise line. Definitely, it should be losing money lah. but it is an uptrending stock. Oh, I'm very surprised. I am surprised. That is BIC on the weekly chart. Ooh, wow. Then you look at the earnings, it has got 4-star. I am very surprised. I'm very surprised it's making money. I don't know what this company do, but I need to find out before I buy. So I will click financial result, double click, you read. Why is it? And read, find out the catalyst. Okay, so that is one stock down. Presta is steel company, so therefore steel company, you all know my take. Just now I went through a lot already. So do you see BIC? I don't see lah. Tashin just now talk about it already. Armada. Hey, by the way, oil price is doing $70 per barrel, and whenever you see US $70, $65, you need to go and check this stock. It's called USMA. BIC tak ada, no BIC. Cheramine, BIC. Oi, Ho Chi Hai Yang, no BIC. Okay, and I think Dayang also no BIC for sure lah. Am I right, Dayang? Yeah, no BIC. Also not a time to buy. Hibiscus 係唔同啦。Hibiscus is sell oil one. So they are what you call that? The price of the oil that will make it profitable for them to drill and get more oil is about 55 or 58 US dollar per barrel, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so do you see the BIC? Okay, do you see BIC in hibiscus? Seriously, it don't have lah. Even a candle is also not green. So this time round, 70 US dollar per barrel, I still don't see the uptrend in hibiscus. Okay, 4-star stock. 4-star stock. So let's take a closer look. 4-star stock. Oh yeah, maybe it will come. So hibiscus, we need to take a closer look. Whenever I see hibiscus, okay, I remember I remember 2019 or 2018. Should be 2018. 2018. That time when we changed government, right? Change government, the stock market plunged. So sometime in September, October, there is a rally. There you go. Guys, you see, guys. Not that I don't want to give you lobang. No. You see, this is the kind of chart that is the most easiest to trade. Am I right, guys? You take a look at hibiscus. Tonight, I show you how to use this. You see all these 4 cute little candle over here? Signal arrow over here? Now, I just chin chai show you this. Can you not see BIC? Can you not see BIC? Very obvious, right? Okay, so you must ask, why on this day, the transaction volume is about 55 million, and next day it is only 5.1 million. Why the transaction volume selling over here is so high, 57 million? Why over the next 2 days, transaction volume get lower and lower at 8 million, less than 10 million? Why? Right not? Okay, and when you scroll to the right, you can see this particular pattern. So on this day, can I say that on this day, when you see the volume coming in, you know that, whoa, because there was BIC, you can buy. 係咪咁講? 1 ringgit, I remember I did lah. So can go up to 110 if you're not wrong. 110 or more than that, 130. 30% gain in hibiscus based on just this simple technique of BIC. 厲害嘛? Oh, okay, so this is what I am looking for. If I have easy stock that looks like this, it makes it very easy to shop the stock. Okay, very easy to find this kind of stock. So right now, if I fast forward to today, you can see that it is not so straightforward. You see, it's not so straightforward. Don't have means don't have. So you got 2 choices now. Either you be patient, you tunggu, you wait for the easy chance, solid opportunity, or you take your chance with this kind of 50-50 chart. Okay, so I don't want to 阻住你發達. Okay, I don't want to hold you back from making money in the stock market. Okay, so this is the 2 choices you have. Either you wait for very, very obvious, simple chart that you like high probably can go up, or you take your chance with this kind of 50-50 chart. Now, I'm not discounting hibiscus or can break 68 cents and go and test 70, 80 cents. because there is a long white over here. Okay, and it has got 3 consolidating candle. US oil price is now at 71 US. Let me check. Let me be accurate in my numbers, guys. Give me one moment. 71.67 US dollar per barrel. I remember I read its earnings of hibiscus. 50 plus already make money, profitable. 70 plus confirm make money. So I will say it will continue to have the green dots. Okay. So that is what I think so lah. This is what I think so. So keep a lookout for hibiscus. Now, if I'm interested in hibiscus, of course I send an alert lah. Am I? Remember, you can do this together with me. Click on the little bell here, set horizontal line alert at 68. When it hits 68 cents, check the transaction volume. Are you satisfied with the volume? You have learned it, the VT volume. So if you see VT volume happening as it hit 68.5, maybe, okay, maybe this is your opportunity. Okay, hibiscus. Happy, guys? If you're happy, you know it's clap your hand, right? So give me a like. Come on. If you're happy and you know it's clap your hand. Yeah, I see such encouragement, right? It makes me more happy to share more such great details to you. Free leh. Where to find, right? Free leh. Oh, of course, member will get the whole trading plan. So this is what you do lah. You draw the line first. Okay, plantation stock, B plant. Wow, this one very tricky leh. Okay, very tricky. I need to see carefully. I just now a parallax error. I thought the high volume was this white candle. Yun Loi high. So skip. Don't understand, I skip. Then it makes it very easy. This one don't understand, skip. So fast. Hey, Bright. Bright remind me of my other stock called KYM. Non-paper. Is it here? Where's my KYM? Okay, never mind. I saw a stock ATEMs. Just someone asked about ATEMs, right? Let's take a look at ATEMs. ATEMs sama as the hibiscus, yeah? Okay, the BIC is not very obvious, so I skip. Then I see KYM. Still there lah. Or you say it is bearish, it is not bearish also ma. You say it's bullish, it is still also not bullish. It was having the BIC pattern before this bloody candle come and kacau. Okay, it was having a very beautiful BI. So this one signifies that the buyers may have been gone. So what we need to do is to wait for the return of the buyer. It is still green, turn black color, then we worry, guys. 聽唔聽到啊? Turn black color candle, then we worry. Green color, we just be patient and wait. Okay, let's go to the weekly chart and take a look. Weekly chart, right? This is called inverted hammer. It is not a shooting star. Shooting star happen in the sky, not at the base. This is called a base. So we still have a chance. I'm not giving up yet. Okay, we still have a chance. KYM can surprise us by doing this. Okay, so many stocks do this. Why not KYM? For example, high tech. This type of speculative run, right? High tech. See, it did one time over here. It did one time over here. It rested. Hey, wow, just nice. Show you one shooting star here. Then after that, also never go down, right? Why? Ranking lah. Ranking. Good company. Good company. Technical weakness is for you to buy. Okay, for you to buy. So you see, after that, continue. And then after that, selling high volume still don't die. Then now continue round 3. You see? So this is what we hope to see in KYM. Now, FPI. Oh, I think FPI, a lot of member 流口水. Salivate. Okay, salivate. So FPI, I shall not mention because this is a very low volume stock and I reserve for my Traders Club member. So FPI, I skip. Fritz, I mentioned already. Genting Malaysia. They say this is, oh wow, take a look at this. Genting Malaysia turn green already. Turn green already means the uptrend is coming. Okay, for this stock, it is not easy to see BIC, guys. Genting Malaysia. And today, not today. Yeah, today I saw the news. Prime Minister says that they will start to open up more segments of the economy, industries. Okay, because they say lockdown doesn't help. So if they continue to lock down, the more people will suffer. So they are going to open up progressively. I think it will benefit Genting Malaysia. Okay, so therefore all these post-pandemic plane may come back again, like Genting M lah, Air Asia lah. If everybody can fly again with the Delta variant in the cabin, then okay, Air Asia not very obvious the chart, not very obvious. Oh, my whole obvious. So we go back to Genting. Genting at least the weekly chart of Genting is also weak. Summer like Air Asia. So therefore, we skip for this week. Next week, then come back and see. Haptic is still stopped. Just now I mentioned already. Yeah, Haptic. Haptic I mentioned already. All of them bounces off the RTS level. KSL. Hey guys, remember KGB. KGB. Later I got one slide on KGB. Prepared to educate you. Okay, prepared to educate you. So let's take a look at KSL. KSL 好哇 KSL 可憐咯 KSL this one no BIC Malakoff no BIC okay, no BIC skip. So do this every day, very simple. Hey, MFLA, I'm having a mixed what do you call it, a mixed feelings about MFLA. Okay, although it sold its profitable business away, but the chart still look bullish. You see all this is one chart with BIC or MFLA. Okay, Tyson Food in US has taken a stake in MFLA. So if you look at Tyson Food, okay, look at Tyson Food chart. Okay, wow, this one very hard to read. It is pulling back. It has pulled back. So it is still a uptrend stock. Can you see it's still an uptrend stock? So this one best to sell put option. Best to sell put option instead of buying the stock. Bloody hell. Oh, wow. You look at the weekly chart, it's a different story. Very beautiful pullback after the strong long white. Okay. So Tyson Food earnings, I don't have on my software. I can't tell from here. So let's take a look at MFLA. MFLA on the weekly chart. Wow, looks like okay leh. Looks like okay. It looks like SemChem. Looks like SemChem. So of course, 86 is the natural resistance. On a Wednesday, the volume is really so high. So I say MFLA really has got a very beautiful BIC chart. Can it break the resistance and be successful? I need to understand the business because I remember it sold its business already. Okay, it sold its business already. So I don't know how else can they have the strong earnings for next quarter. But if I will do technical trading, buy breakout is not my cup of tea. I'll prefer to buy when it is pulling back. Also, MFLA for the, how many of you? 462, YouTube got 188, so 640. About 640 of you, MFLA, you own self see whether you are interested in it. Chart is BIC, but trading breakout resistance, I know confident in this current market in September. Okay. Open seas, just now I talked about it already. PCAM, no BIC. I have no strong BIC, skip. Pelican, 3-star stock, got BIC or not? No BIC, skip. P Glove, no BIC, skip. Pi. Pi. No BIC skip. When I see pi, naturally I want to see 2 fu. You see, every night you do this, you become very objective and analyze. See, no BIC. No BIC. What about the weekly chart? Also same. Nothing interesting. Skip. PJ Bumi. PJ Bhumi, so beautiful. Construction company is in play for the last 2 weeks, guys. You see the likes of GDB, keep going higher. Very annoying, very annoying with BIC some more. Why annoying? Because I haven't buy yet. I just have to wait and be patient for the price to come and turn green. Okay, who else construction? I think Intex construction supply, right? Yeah, also when going up. Okay, green with the arrow BIC. So we were at PJ Bhumi. PJ Bhumi chart is beautiful. You all can see, right? It's beautiful, right? PJ Bhumi. Cantik. Thomas say it's cantik. Cantik. Very, very cantik. Some more, the market cap is very low. Okay, now guys, market cap low stock can run very fast one. Market cap low can run very fast. Okay, so this one, another figure for you. Revenue BIC is there. Okay, now it's trading at the low. This is the type you buy, all right, you are near the low. You're near the low. So it's like smarter way to buy low. You're near the low. So you buy also, you feel safer. Am I right, guys? You feel safer, right? You see revenue at 190 versus you buy at 210, right? Definitely 190, you feel safer. Am I right, guys? If I'm right, hit the right button. Show me that I'm right. Enfla telo naik harga. What is that? What does that mean? Dawaku. Although sometimes I sprout a little bit of Bahasa. Actually, I don't know how to speak Bahasa. Only know certain word. Okay. Like makan kiri kanan because I need to tell the taxi last time I take red color taxi if you kena the pakcik who don't know how to speak English, then you have to use kiri kanan harapan kanan belakang. Also, therefore I know a little bit of Bahasa. So what enfla telo naik harga. Telo is egg. Okay, nice. Okay, so you understand now. Revenue. Let's go to the weekly chart and take a look. Weekly chart. Okay, I think this is just a matter of time. This bloody stock, just a matter of time. Friday guys, Friday. Let's see Friday. But if it give us a smarter way to buy low criteria, we do it. RHB Bank, no, it's not going to show you BIC. This is the kind of chart that will not show you BIC, guys. Okay, bank stocks. Scope. Dun, 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 dun. The famous Scope. Dun, 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 dun. Can you see the BIC? I think it is as clear as the night sky with no clouds, and you can see the moon shining very bright, right? Scope, the BIC. Weekly chart. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so Scope not too bad. Sasol. So many so many Okay lah. I think we have to stop somewhere. We cannot go through the whole list tonight. Sasol, no BIC. Let's see, daily chart, no BIC. Okay, so all in all, guys, you know how to SLVest. Let's talk about this SLVest. What is SLVest doing now? Okay, SLVest is pulling back on low volume. Weekly chart now. SLVest, I want to make sure the insider hasn't sell yet, so I'm going to check the Bursa side announcement. SLVest. Wow, I like what you say, Kenny Ong. Revenue is pumping petrol. Once full tank. Hopefully lah. SolarVest Holdings Berhad. Let's go. Let's see. Dueling. Okay. Other. Okay. The last news, 1st of September, they has accept a letter of award for a project. Okay, so that is a piece of good news. So they have got 2 contracts secured. Okay, 2 contracts secured. So there is no insider selling yet. Insider was buying all the way. You see, on 27th of August, Mr. Chow Hao Chun. Okay, acquired. Can you see now? Datin Seri Wong Mi Leng. Acquired. Hey, they don't buy small 600,000, 400,000 unit not 600 units it's 684,000 Okay, so Dato Chow Beng Tek, should be brother. Acquired. Can you see it? Insiders are buying. Chin Hin Group, divine in Chin Hin Group is what? Acquired. Wow, so all of them are acquired, and until now they haven't sell. You understand? So they are still holding on. And interestingly, SolarVest earnings is not out yet, guys. Okay, SolarVest earning will be out sometime from now until the end of the month, because the Bursa gives this company up to the end of September to announce their earnings due to the lockdown. So a lot of companies inconvenienced. So it may report better earnings, and we have to wait for it to go up, the first long white to come back in. So the strategy to trade SolarVest going forward over the next 2 weeks is very simple. Just now, I think I have exhibited it in the hibiscus discussion. So that is how you will time your entry into SLVest. Okay, that is how we do it. The time now is 9:12 p.m. guys. I cannot be with you for the whole night, so I want to summarize tonight learning into my stock investment blueprint. Okay, my stock investment blueprint. For those of you who are new, this blueprint can help you get a very clear plan on execution on how to invest in the stock market. First of all, the price chart must be bullish. Even if a stock chart industry team is right, there is a catalyst for the price to move up. If the chart is bearish, there's no reason the price will go up. You understand what I'm saying? You think about glove stock, you think about Top Glove, you think about Supermax, you think about Care Plus, Comfort, Hata, and the list goes on. So price is always right, because stock price represents the future earnings, the future expectation of the market on this stock. So therefore, the price, you must see BIC, you must see the green incredible hawk signal just like I was showing you. And then you go to the what to buy. Okay, that means you find a stock that has the BIC, then you go to the industry team. Okay, is this industry in play? Construction, right? If you see a steel counter, you know that the iron ore price is down. Whoa, don't know confident or not. You see construction, wow, this one a lot of other stock going up. You see chemicals, wow, a lot of stock going up. So this is what I mean. Is the industry in play? Okay, like last night, Apple released news on iPhone 13. Then Malaysia, there are 2 companies that is supplier of Apple. This is called catalyst. Then when you see a Bluetooth speaker, okay, Bluetooth speaker that is hot on sale, and it is so hot that the thing is out of stock. One particular company in Malaysia is the manufacturer, okay, contract manufacturer. So these are what I call catalysts. So after you see the chart has got BIC, you still need to see whether is it the right industry, right catalyst before you buy. If you follow this rule, you will always be buying good companies. And when you buy good companies, good things will happen to you. Number 1, KGB is coming up. I purposely keep KGB to the last slide. So those people who leave already, right, they will miss KGB. Nice or not? I'm smarter now, right? Okay, so where was I? Yeah. So hi gam lah. See lah, y'all break my momentum. I forgot what I want to tell you. Okay, so you follow this, good things will happen to good companies. There can be more contract wins, there can be better earnings so that your stock price can go up. Now, if you don't follow this, You can either buy a downtrending stock and get stuck. You can buy a company that is losing money, that is in the wrong industry, and there's no reason to go up. You will get stuck. And you get stuck for months, for years, while you look at the likes of other stock like KGB lah, like MSM lah, all going up. Then your stock not going up. Okay, so this can help you. Good, everybody, good. So those of you who are new, I'm speaking to those of you who are new lah. Those of you who are here every week, you know already lah, this slide, right? So those of you who are new, how many of you are new here? Comment new, comment new. Let me know how many of you are new here. If you are new to this webinar, comments new. 係啦，係啦，係啦。有冇？ Is there any new? Andrew Quay is new. Chi Leong is new. Patrick Tan, you are new. Yeah. Damien, new. Great. I saw quite a number of you are new. So I hope you find this blueprint very useful. And if you follow this, okay, you will buy good companies. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Yi Hua, Director of Charts Nexus, the voice that is behind this webinar for the past 1.5 hours. Like many people, I started out losing in the stock market. I was stuck in the first 3 stages for 3 years of my life, trying to figure out what works in the stock market. Whenever I buy a stock, the stock will stay stuck. It will not move. As soon as I sell it, works like magic every single time during the 3 years. When I sell it, the stock will go up. Okay, so if you're experiencing the same thing as me, you're stuck in the first 3 stages, I know how it feels, frustrated. Now, when I started to focus on the BIC kind of chart with the catalyst, which is the blueprint that I'm talking about, my performance get better and I'm beginning to get into big multi-bagger runners. Now, it's not a coincidence why some stock can go up non-stop. The performance can be predictable, can go up non-stop. Think about Gene Tech, think about Great Tech, okay, think about High Tech, KGB. Why? Because their earnings potential is strong. Okay, this is the formula that will never go wrong and never go outdated. You bring me to any year in history, you drop me there, I will go and find this company and show you. There you see this company, because of the great prospect, that is why their stock price is going up. So today, as a retail investor, guys, all of us must know how to protect ourselves. We must stop dabbling, gambling in those lousy companies. Leave them alone. Let those speculators go and trade in and out. We focus on good company. You will find that your life is simpler, less stressful, more profitable. Agree with me? Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Okay. So the day I used the BIC strategy, I started to progress to the stage 4 comfortably, always researching, hunting for that beautiful company to own. And when the stock market comes down, bearish, downtrend, that is the time when you will notice there are not a lot of BIC chart in the stock market. Then if there's no lot of BIC chart in the stock market, what do? You stand aside, you wait, you don't place any more trade. This will help to limit your losses, prevent you from losing back all your profits. That's what a lot of people fail to do. Okay, so this is my cumulative realized P&L for the Malaysia market. I started to track my performance January 2020. Okay, I thought it's going to be a good year because 2019 I finished strongly. So 2020 I come in, I restart, okay, and then I start to track because I want to show the members that I can do it, so can they. Remember, if today you are struggling, you are not alone. Many people are also struggling and I have struggled before. So if I can do it, so can you. But mana zai, once I started COVID-19 strike, everybody lose money. I lose together with them, no shame. Okay, even good companies were down during COVID-19 because there was panic, there was fear, nobody knows what's going to happen. Will the pandemic drag on or not? But 2 months into the pandemic, it was clear. gloves sector, healthcare was in play. So you buy those stocks, you make money, guys, you make money. And when it comes to the third quarter, fourth quarter of 2020, if your money is in the technology stock, you make money again. Because when people work from home, nobody know that the work from home culture will work in the pandemic year. We were expecting high unemployment. We were expecting industry to collapse. No, government spend money, support tourism, support rental, right? And the people work from home. Work from home, you require technology. That is why the semiconductors companies blossom. Boom, you make money. Okay, and boom again. So over here, it continued to boom. You have got a technology stock very strong during the last 6 months from October, November, January, February. Before March onwards, 21st, March 21 onwards, you experience selling. So as per all investor, even good company will go down, I lose money. Okay. Then when a good time comes in April, steel stocks, this is the steel stock rally, remember now, steel stock comes along, you make money. Then when the politics takes center stage, now politics is something you and me cannot control, and they are so random. They do not have a schedule to say that Zahid is going to call for a meeting and denounce their alliance with the ex-prime minister. We don't know. It will just suddenly comes out. So you lose money, I lose money, everybody lose money. It's okay. Why? Because when the good time comes, we will make money again by buying the right sector. You understand? So do not think that you go into stock market every day you want to trade, every day you will make money. No, there are times where it will be difficult. You have to protect yourself. Everybody clear? Understand? So this is my journey. I want to share with you that it is not one straight line up. There will be times you meet into a quiet market. There will be times the market is not good. You need to be able to protect your profit so that you don't lose back all your gains. What most of people do is good times, top glove, all this make money, right? Don't know how to sell until today from profit become loss. I've seen so many cases out there. Okay. Don't know how to protect profit, from there become loss, from profit become loss. So don't do that. If I can do this, so can you. You can see my method is very consistent, very straightforward. Good companies, time your entry, and ride the trend. Okay. So this is my Bursa mentorship program. It lasts for 1 year. So I'm going to spend the next 15 minutes to explain to those of you who are new, okay, how this program can help you. First of all, you will learn fundamental analysis, how to identify growth stocks, how to identify sector in play, and then deciphering the QR reports. Then in the technical analysis, you will learn the entry rules and levels, how to sell using multi-time frame analysis to determine whether the stock is bullish or bearish. And then you use price action, mastering price action trading together with me for 1 year, reading candle, reading the volume, whether is it BIC or is it not BIC. Okay. Mentorship is where I will further help you to trade together with you, earn as you learn. Okay. When I see a good trading plan, I will broadcast to you so that you will be able to look at the right stock. Because when you just join, you may not be familiar, so you may need someone to handhold you. So you give me your hand, I will hold your hand and chart along together with you, correct your mistake so that you are always looking at the right stock. Once you are able to walk, then you'll be able to find good stocks by yourself. Okay, this is a 1 year program. It is not Saturday, Sunday, suddenly you become expert. No one can do that. It is a journey. Every Monday, I will meet you for a webinar for all members, a webinar. So we are going to review what's going to, we review our existing stocks. Okay, from there, we will look for new lobangs and chart the market direction. If we are bullish, we have a few stocks to track, you will know what are the stocks on Monday. Okay, then during the week from Monday to Friday, if the particular stock, like for example only, okay, I disclaim example only, revenue. If it is a stock we are tracking, if the moment is here, you will receive the broadcast as you when you are in your trading hours. Okay, So this is the earn as you learn program. Because you learn, if there's good opportunity, you can also earn as well. That's why I call earn as you learn. And for the daily market commentary, I created a group for all members to gather together to share information. Okay, when a particular stock moves, they will discuss. Okay, so over here, I want to share with you how it looks like. Okay, right here. Okay, so this is the group where you will have access to all the conversation. So this is the 15th of September post, which is today. So every morning, I will greet you good morning from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This is where you ask your question. This is where you talk about the stocks. Okay, if you see a particular stock broadcasted, so if you do not know what to do with the stock, with the trading plan in front of you, you still do not know what to do with it, you come here and ask question. Okay, come here and ask questions. So together, myself and the rest of the senior members of the community will jump in and help to answer your question. So this is a 1 year, every single day you will be engaged and interactive kind of program. Okay, I think this is the best way that anyone can learn trading versus you learn already, you do it by yourself. Okay, so I find that if I'm able to show you my thinking process, okay, what kind of stocks, and the market is dynamic. Every quarter, maybe a different industry will take over so that you will be able to be, on the spot, you'll be able to understand, oh, there's a change in this earnings pattern in the market. So be careful, okay? Or this particular sector up and coming, take note. So you'll be able to learn how do we spot this. Right, I want to also show you where are the training material, because this program is totally online. So we have prepared a lifetime access for all members inside our ChartNexus Trading Academy. Okay, so you come to the guides, Okay, come to the guides. This is where all the training videos are. So the first video, these are all video on demand. So what happens is after you sign up, you join, right? You will have access to this lifetime access to this trading academy. You can come here and view the training video by yourself, own time, own target. Okay, no one rush you. You can learn at your own pace. If you don't understand any video, go to the Facebook group and ask questions. We will help you. Now, tomorrow is the public holiday. Best time, because now COVID is still strong, Delta variant still strong. I think you should stay at home. Okay, and if you're not working, you stay at home, very boring, right? Finishes all the Netflix shows already, right? Come and learn. 2021, make a difference in your life. You pick up a lifetime skill. Now, investment is a lifelong skill. You spend 1 year with me, you learn a lifetime skill. Okay, a skill that you can learn, you can use for the rest of your life. So the first few video is on the ESP Master software. This is where you learn how to operate the software. This is how you learn to calculate price target. And then you have got the price volume. Like for example, just now we were talking about one stock that was trading near the resistance, right? So we are looking at the volume. Once it breaks that level, what is the volume? Okay. This video tells you that, and you've got the rest of the price action trading methods. Position sizing. This is one I wanted to highlight to you. Very important, because a lot of members gone through it and tell me that, hey, this is what they find the most beneficial, because it helps them in their risk management. They are able to avoid risk and then make more money when they are right. Okay, that means when their trading account starts to grow, they make more money. But when they are wrong, it protects them from total loss. So this is very good for risk management. I think once you join the program, this is one video you should not miss. Please come and view this video. Rest of the technical analysis topics are here, and you've got more supplementary notes like identifying market bottom, guidelines to buy REITs, okay, trading principles, how to average up, what is 1 to 2 bit rule. After you see Trend Master V3 signal, what should you do? Everything is here. Trading principles. Okay, market strength index, how to use it. Reading financial report, right here. Okay, so my program is designed in such a way that is FA plus TA. It is not just technical only. You need to know what stock you are trading. So how to read financial report is also very important. Don't worry, it's not going to ask you to go and read all the number. Wow, revenue grow by how many percent? What is the total equity return to the shareholder? No. It's a very simple, straightforward method that within 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be able to tell this company got future or not. It is that easy. All right, screening rules. I've got 2 rules that we use every day: price pullback and trend master V3. So today you saw a lot of trend master V3. So this is yours for the rest of your life after you become member. Okay. Wow, very chonghei, huh? So this is the trading performance I have recorded. Okay, I've recorded. So I just want to share with you the consistency in picking up the stock. So right here you can see. Let me pick up one stock for you lah. Okay, let's talk about FP Group, FP Group. This is the May 13. Okay, May 13, 2020. I just want to share with you how consistent I was in using the method to pick FP Group and the rest of the stocks. So FP Group. Okay, that was May 2020, right? May 2020 在哪里啊？这边 okay, here, over here. Okay, so May 2020 is where I sold the stock. Now I want you to see the pattern over here for yourself. Can you see the BIC pattern is very obvious in FP Group? The high volume buying, the low volume selling, the high volume buying, the low volume selling. So trading FP Group back in 2020 May is very straightforward, very simple. The BIC is very obvious. So I only look for this kind of stocks to trade. Okay, and that time the ranking has got 2 or 3 stars. But because of the last few earnings this year, it has dropped already. Okay, so it used to have more stars. So that is one stock, and you can see a couple more. Okay, this is May. Every quarter I pick up one stock to show you. How about JHM? JHM is smarter way to buy low. FP Group was still there, and ScopeNet, how much? ScopeNet, okay, ScopeNet, 3rd of August. Okay, ScopeNet. Let's see the method. Do you see the BIC? August 2020, August. There you go. August 2020. Can you see the whole trend, right? The whole bloody trend. Can you see how obvious the BIC pattern is? Guys, can you see? So this is the kind of chart that I look for, which are very easy to understand, and I have the buyers in control behind me. So when I buy the stock, I have more confidence. Of course, again, the ranking used to be good. So therefore, I traded this stock. So that was 1 year ago. And if this year you trade FP Group or ScopeNet, you will be disappointed because ranking already down. Okay, so you'll be just doing technical trading. Or technical trading, right? So that is the 2 quarters. So I have got more. Okay, I've got more. So the whole Bursa membership program, you will have Telegram alerts. Okay, so once you are a member, you hook up your Telegram alerts to our ESP Master Pro software, the software that I've been using the whole night. This is the one holding the whole night. Okay, this is yours, and it support multiple markets. You have got the Hong Kong, the KL, the US market, the Singapore market. Okay, so it is the multi-market platform, and it is real time, but it is delayed. Okay, it's delayed. So tomorrow you'll be able to, so tomorrow holiday, Friday you'll be able to see the candle moving up and down, and you can go to the intraday chart. And during the trading hours, you will receive alerts. Okay, you receive these alerts. Can you see? From the software, from the system. Now, if you have hooked up your mobile phone to the Telegram alert, you will be able to receive them on your mobile phone. How convenient. Wherever you are, ding ding, then you go and open up your trading platform and see whether is it time to buy or not. Okay, like for example, all these like hibiscus. I draw the line at 68.5, right? So when the stock trades above 68.5, I will receive an alert to my Telegram, my mobile phone. This is how I keep track of stock. It's not so many stock. How am I going to view all the chart at one go? Cannot, ma. Cannot. At most, I can only view 4 chart at one go. 4 chart at one go in this software. So therefore, I need the live alerts. You come in, I click on you, the chart will appear in front of me. CMB volume very high today. Okay, so this is how I do it. This is yours during the membership years. And then I will send you trading plan. broadcast learning trade, private group for you to ask questions if you do not understand, and also the lifetime access to the learning videos. The software is yours. So this is the whole Bursa mentorship program. So there are more stocks, like for example, 16th of October 2020, there are more stocks. You can see accumulated winner up to 91K. Most of it contributed by Top Glove, ScoMnet, Supermax. Okay, this is where you ride the trend. So you see, along the way, I sold some of the stock away. Like for example, JHM, Kawan, OpenSeas. So you see over here, you don't see Kawan anymore. You don't see JHM anymore. So this one of my style is, I will keep those that I think the earnings very strong ones, and I will start to trade in and out of those stocks that technical setup or the earning is not as strong as what it's not the strongest in my portfolio. I would sell those away to lock in the gains. That's how the equity will grow. Okay, so you learn that from me as well. So this is this year, February 2021, profit of 48,000 for that very strong 2 months, January and February. Okay, so with the knowledge you picked up in this training program, you will be able to spot opportunities, and that is how money can be made. I say, if you are struggling today, this is the program you need. Okay, for you to get clarity of which stock to pick and which stock to trade. Now, this is a KGB. I wanted to show everybody. You all waited so long. This is the KGB. Now, 1st of September is my entry in KGB. This is the trading plan that I was talking about, guys. So once you're a member, you will receive this on your mobile phone. When the stocks that we are tracking, like for example, in a Monday webinar, members only meeting, we highlight the stock. Okay, we set the trading levels, and once it hit during the trading week, we are going to broadcast the message to everybody so that the members will take note of the stock. Now, one thing interesting about KGB is, maybe we should see the chart first, KGB, so that you know why we buy KGB. Okay, can you see the ranking is top notch, 3-star? Can you see it has got BIC chart? Okay, this candle today, very high volume, so it's going to distort. Can you see the BIC? That is why we buy this stock. Okay, and you can see the ranking is very high. And when I check the pips, okay, we don't want to buy too high. That time when we bought, it's only 130 something. Also, I check the pips. 10% is only 140. So I say, hey, this stock should be 包价啦. It's quite strong. The chart, everything is so nice. It's green color. So all factors with me when I buy this stock. No wonder we are rewarded. Okay. So when you come and take a look at this piece of news, this is the highlight of this slide. Now, the earnings, the award of contract worth 420 million ringgit was the reason why KGB went up today. Everybody know, the whole market know. But what is more interesting is 14th of September, you can see all these announcements made by the company, all the directors are buying the stock before the contract win is out. Can you see it now, guys? Before the contract win announcement is out, 14th of September, which means this director already bought few days ago. 14th of September is the announcement come out. So they bought a few days ago, and all of them, all these are So Donghua la, Hu Kiong la, Cham Tek Kwang la. Or you click into the link, right? It shows that they are acquiring the shares, same as SLVest. Then only the news is out. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you, guys? Do you understand? If you understand, comment yes. Comment yes. Comment yes if you understand what I'm trying to say. If you don't know, right, you say, hey, don't know, D-U-N-N-O, don't know. What am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is, okay, if you are able to read the chart, you will be able to spot this BIC, buyers in control. Buyers in control. You see carefully again. before the insiders, before the news, okay, insider announced on the 14th, before that, you already see the BIC pattern happening in KGB. Why were there BIC here? Oh, 原来 there's a contract win 420 million. You understand the logic now? Yes. Okay. This is what I'm trying to show you here. This is how the stock market functions. So therefore, it is very disadvantage to you if you do not know how to read BIC and how to find good stock. Okay, contract win only happen to, not only lah, most of the time happen to good companies, good stock. That is the KGB message that I wanted to share with everybody. Hey, Jenny Low is very sharp. Immediately she asked, so go for SLVS? Friday lah. Friday we see how. Okay. So this is the, once again, the cumulative realized P&L, 105,000 up since January 2020. I want to share this with you that if I can do it, so can you. I have spent 3 years of my time trying to find out what works the best, and I found it. So if you are still at the exploration stage, how about you save 3 years of your life? Directly follow my method, and then you make money first. Then from there you grow, and then you explore other methods. I think that is more sensible. Okay, that is more valuable, right? Our pre-COVID seminar package, that time we were flying around Malaysia, renting hotel rooms, lots of air tickets. So therefore, the price is 3,788. But now, because we are doing online, okay, full training online, even my mentorship to you is through our Facebook. So therefore, we are able to pass the savings to you. So instead of 3,788, your investment into this lifelong skill that can make you many 2,788 is only 2,788. Okay, for the rest of your life. So if today you are losing more than 232 ringgit per month, still don't know what to do after many years, give this program a chance. Sign up with me and learn how to do it. So this is your package. You include the ESG Master Pro, the private group access, the lifetime access to the videos, okay, and the communicator for the trading plan and the Telegram alerts from the software. You will be equipped with all these tools. And this is the sign up link, chartnexus.com/trading Bursa. Okay, and as a bonus, you will also receive my private alerts, stocks that I have set an alert for myself. I will add you into the group. You will be able to receive together with me. So after you sign up, you get your welcome email, follow the instruction inside, and then request for these private alerts. Okay. Now, to make it easier for you to start trading with me, I have been offering this money back guarantee, 100%. Okay, so this will make it risk-free for you, and all the risk is on me, because if you join and you decided to ask for a refund, a money back refund, you will get back 100% of every single cent you pay. But for the bank charges, our company will absorb. So in fact, if you ask for a refund, I will lose money. There's a cost to it, so I will absorb. So it makes it risk-free for you. Okay, I just want to make it very comfortable for you to enroll for this program with a peace of mind, knowing that if you do not like it, you have an option to ask for your money back. The last date to seek for the money back will be this coming Sunday, 12 p.m., 19th of September. So if you are happy with the program and you find that, wow, there's so much content that you can learn, you can stay put in the program. But if you found that this program is not suitable for you and you decided that, okay, maybe this is not the time to join yet, 12 p.m., before 12 p.m., before this date, send an email to us and request for a refund. We will give you back every single cent in the coming week. Okay, so upon sign up, you will receive ESG Master Pro, the private group access, the communicator, and the Telegram alerts. But it will not include the training videos. The training videos is yours only after 12 p.m., 19th of September. Okay, because once you get access, it's lifetime. So we have to make sure that you are going to stay with us, then you will get this lifetime access to the videos after 19. Alternatively, if you decided that you are not going to ask for a money back refund, then you write into us and then request for it and declare that you are not going to ask for the money back, and you will get immediate access to the training videos. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you some of my testimonial. Okay, from my members. Okay, testimonial. So these are all the testimonials. So we have got more. Okay, click on more. It will display the Facebook link. Okay, where you will see real people giving the real testimonial over here. Okay, Patrick Tan say he's new. So let's see. Patrick Tan. Patrick Tan testimonial very long. Okay, very long. So yeah, very long. I will skip. You come and read. You come and read. Okay, so let's go for a shorter one. Then short, cute one. Jason Lee. Yes, he is good in teaching how to catch stock and how to exit. Nothing I can express. Can only say again, good. I just signed up for the TA course starting from mid-December 2020. Only you know, and I gain more than the course fees. Why not sign up? It's a good deal. Okay, Jason Lim. Wee Kyung Liu, I joined in December 2020, constructed a portfolio of 8 stocks inspired by the coaching. Today, at 5 weeks, the return is more than 20%, and all stocks are profitable, ranges from 1 to 60%. The only regret is, why didn't I join earlier? I got so many more experiences here to share with you. 真人真事, so you can come and see. Okay? Those people who joined in December, they experienced one of the craziest bullish time in January and February. That is why they can make money very fast. All right. So those of you who join, I want you to come in with a mindset of you want to learn first, and then the money will come. You do something well, the money will come. It's just like a surgeon. If you are very good at cutting up people, you will be popular. Everybody who has something growing inside them, once it removed, will come to you. You will make money. Okay, it's the same as trading. You perfect your craft in looking for good growth stocks that can fly up like KGB, money will come. Okay, so get that in mind. So this is the money back guarantee, and right now, okay, we are running a promo. Instead of 2788, you will be able to sign up for this program and save 500 ringgit at 2288. Okay, 2288. So I say, with this money back guarantee, anybody can trade now. You can learn to trade now. At least come in, take a look. If you're not happy, ask for your money back. Now, October 2021, the price will be revised upwards to 2388. This is where I need to remind you. Your entry price is your renewal price. So this is the first year. Second year, for example, you sign up tonight, 2288. Your renewal 1 year later will still be 2288. Even if you increase the price. So the earlier you sign up, the lower you lock in the price for the renewal. Imagine you sign up in October 2388, your renewal in October 2022 will be 2388. Okay, so this is going to be revised, keep going higher and higher, because we want to start to attract quality students, quality members, and we are increasing the barrier of entry. Okay, increasing the barrier of entry. You will see it climb back up to 2788 in no time. Okay, now chartnexus.com/trading Bursa 卖图了. Go and sign up. Any question? Please ask now so that we can help you. Wow, thank you, Sharu Asrin. You the man, man. You the man. Of course, the rest of the members as well. Thank you for your support every single week. And those of you who have referred your friends, also I forgot to express my appreciation. Thank you for referring your friends, guys. Really appreciative of your efforts. Okay. This program will not be forever here, yeah. Okay. I will only be doing it until I hit my mid-40s. I'm starting to think about other things to do already. Yeah. So those of you who want to get under my mentorship, you have to sign up before I turn 45. Once I turn 45, someone will be mentoring. Okay, I'm going to look within the community to promote, to upgrade some of the members to be mentor, and then when I get older, the new blood, okay, the new younger trainers will take over. So if you still want to join under my tutorship for the next few years, I'm still around. Can we do screener for US? Of course we can. Of course we can. Let me show you. US stock, right? US stock. Okay, there you go. Now US stock. Wait. Okay, here. US stock. We talk about Nasdaq, Nasdaq, you hit Nasdaq, then this is the stock to pay attention to. Okay, so let's go to the price chart. Sorry. Before price chart, too many stock. Let me sort by the more expensive stock. Okay, the more expensive stock. Okay, let's go. Results. These are your US stock lah. Ultra Beauty. Fortinet, not bad. Fortinet. Let's take a look at Fortinet. Okay, because the US market has opened already, Fortinet. See, I know Fortinet not bad because it's uptrending stock. How difficult can it be, right? Use the software, but I don't have the fundamental information about the company for US. Okay, imagine this is happening. I repeat again, trading actually very simple one. Once you have all these arrow and color to guide you, this pullback right now is this pullback. Sama the drop. Okay. Very simple, very straightforward. How do I, okay, is the data real time or delayed? It is delayed. Like for example, this is today's candle. You can see the daily plus means it's running. See the date over here is 15th of September. So our data is delayed real time. Does this 2788 include SGX training? The other, no. 2788 is only for Bursa, but right now it's 2288 Subhash, 2288, not 2788. Promo is 2288. Don't miss it. How do I register tonight? Admin, please help Derek. Derek, there is a link at the there's a link at the comments field. We have pinned up the comment so you can click on it to register. ESP Master Pro for how long? 1 year. Said Faiz for 1 year. See who else got question. No more question. Let me come to the YouTube and see YouTube no question. Okay. Now, for those of you who stay until now, right? Wow, you all really got the patience. You all got the patience. I will share good lobang with you. Okay. 110 on YouTube, 158 on Facebook. Like those people who leave already, they will miss this lobang. I like to reward people who treat me very nice. Scope, KLSE stock. Okay, Scope. This is the chart that has got a very beautiful BIC chart. Okay, I only say one time, BIC chart. Now, if you don't know what to do with it, join me. Okay, like any question with regards to the training program? Oh, very fast. Only show you 3-5 seconds. Let's see. Any more question? DT. Okay, see you tomorrow, DT. Remember, wake up and go to work. We got no holiday in Singapore. Ahmad Mensa, no need. It comes together. You don't have to subscribe separately. It comes together. Okay, it comes together. Oh, real-time chart. No. Only for delayed chart. Our chart only delayed, no real-time. Okay, the real time, you go to your broker chart. You can use N+. In fact, once you're a member, right? Once you're a member, we will get you in touch with our friend, our kawan, and then you can get the real time chart free. Okay, part of your 1 year. Tomorrow got session for SG. Tomorrow is Thursday. No have Damien. Don't have. Singapore session is on Tuesday. Shermaine Heng. Wow, all the Singapore member all hiding here. US market US market Palantir Palantir, we are waiting for the head and shoulder Offer until when? Until we increase the price to 2388, Abdullah. So every month we are going to increase the price, revise the price up, okay, to increase the barrier of entry. Okay, US stock, wait, I'm looking at my mobile phone, see got lobang or not. It cannot, Nasdaq still big, I see got lobang for you or not. Don't have. Tonight pretty weak. Tonight pretty weak. But never mind, if weak, our Singapore stock strong can already, ma. Okay, so if there's no more question, like how come I remember I didn't get the M plus real time chart? Elaine Lim, you need to check the announcement. Okay, send an email to et@chartnexus.com. Oh yeah, tomorrow got UOB Kahan talk. Wow, DT, you reminded me. Sekali I go and take a nap to see liao. Thomas Wong, renewal have offer. Yes, renewal normally we have offer. Okay, like buy two, like 3 months. There will be complimentary bonus months for renewal. So we are doing up the promo. It should be launched to the members soon. Is there a similar Facebook webinar for US stock? No have, don't have, Henry. For Bursa and SGX. Okay, guys, it's 10 p.m. Let's not sleep too late. The expert says we must have very regular sleeping hours, 7 hours of sleep, so that we remain healthy and we can enjoy our money. Now I'm getting old, I also worry about the health. So therefore, make so much money, if no health to enjoy, must jalat. So we need to rest early. So 10 p.m. If you got any question, you email, you WhatsApp us. Okay, let me show you where is it. Let me show you where is it. Okay, under the comments field. Okay, under the comments field, you will be able to see you'll be able to see our WhatsApp number. Okay, our email. So if you got more questions before you sign up, you can click on the WhatsApp or email to ask your question. But I say, guys, really is a no-brainer to sign up lah. Money back leh. You will get back your money. I'm here every Tuesday, Wednesday since last year. Okay, so within 5 days, you tak suka, ask for refund. Very simple. Okay, so that you do not miss the promo, so that you do not miss the stocks and you do not miss the opportunity to experience how does the mentorship feels like. Once you get in, you go through what we have shared. Then you understand, oh, so this is how the member analyze, how I share the trading plan, so on. And the weekly webinar. Okay, weekly webinar, you have access as well. Let me share with you. Okay, weekly webinar is conducted at our private group, so you will be able to see my live. There you go. 13th of September, 9:20 p.m. Monday night. Okay, so this is the members only webinar. So you can go and view the webinar and see if this is what you get to attend every Monday. Can this help you to improve? This should be your question. This should be how you assess whether this program is suitable for you or not. Okay, so 係啦，就係咁啦。One last time, 2288. Okay, there is money back guarantee. 不要错过 ，no brainer, confirm is a no brainer. Sign up, Tasuka, get your money back. If you like, stay on. Okay, so with that, I will end tonight's session. Thank you very much, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.